And this is our room. Number, look at that. This is the evil one. Pani, ये क्या है? आया का हमेशा last आता है. Hey guys, welcome back to Life with the Sequeiras. So in the previous vlog, you must have already watched how we enjoyed the amusement park, the water slides and everything. And we didn't check in before because there was a lot of commotion with regards to people out there. So we told them, you give us the room later on, we'll just go and enjoy ourselves. And that is what we did. We just hopped into the pool. And in case you haven't watched that previous vlog, please go check it out. I have put up the link here. And now we are heading towards our room after all the fun that we had. And that's when we're going to start the vlog. So Bagu puts a vlog kasa jato. So guys, we just got done with the water park and we have got our rooms, and now we are checking in. Actually, we couldn't check in earlier because there was some commotion and we wanted to get into the water as soon as possible. So we told them we are getting into the water, give us the room later. So I'll show you the room now. So this is how you enter. This is the washroom. Disinfected. That's something great. That's something I like. And this is our room. Chotta sa room hai, but good for us. Correct, baby? Nice. Oh, वो भी है. Kettle नहीं है ना, नहीं तो आड़ा में kettle होना चाहिए. ठीक, देखते हैं. ये menu भी इधर ही है गरम मसाला का. Nice. Good. AC is working fine. And baby's favorite, the mirror. We bought this. Now we'll go and get other bags. So we just come off. We all have come out to have a grub. I don't know where we are going to search for some food. Amira is crying because she wanted to sit in the front, but of course दुख रहा है कि आने के आगे बैठने के लिए. And this is the evil one. She got hurt, and even I also got hurt in the swing today, but it's okay, that happens. Oh, what happened to you?
You pushed me.
That is hurt, huh? You are playing.
You pushed me.
I'll push you more now.
Mama, then I'll push you.
Done deal. Chalo, now we're gonna have something to eat. Now we're gonna search for something. Let's see what we get. Finally, we got a place to eat. Karnala Hotel. What do you mean by Karnala? Chalo, let's go. Wow, this is like a proper good setup. देसी बाहर बैठने का कि अंदर? इधर हवा बहुत था ना. वोट से
चलेगा, बैठे इधर.
आप लोगों किधर बैठने का? थोड़ा हवा वाला अच्छा लगता है. दिस इज बेटर ना बेबी. So we decided to sit inside. थोड़ा हवा भी मस्त आता है. ज्वाइन कर सकते हो टेबल? चलो बच्चे लोग खाएंगे लॉलीपॉप. Hriday is tired. Hriday is sleeping. The only sad part is Bhaiya sitting on the other table, but that's because he's having Jane. अर्नव, आप क्या खाओगे? आप क्या खाओगे? पानी? ये क्या है? लस्सी. ओहो, क्या लॉलीपॉप मिल गया? चलो गुड. आप खाओ अब अच्छे से. यू विल फील बेटर. First in the list, of course, not that chicken that you saw, but this is chicken lollipops over different chicken. Looks tasty and yummy. Let's all enjoy now. And we are having burji pav, and that pav looks good. Full fresh pav दिख रहा है यार. एक number. Look at that. Burji and pav. Arnav, कैसा लगा lollipop? मस्त ना?
So we just got done. Amazing food. And look over here.
Come there, now touch. Come. Now touch, come.
Sure, baby.
और एक है, दूसरा वाला आने रहा है. एक काय रे. Lollipop है ना उधर. चलो, let's go and sleep for some time. We parked the car really very close, so we don't have any problem in walking. That is laziness at its peak. Hey baby. This is our lobby area. So we are neighbors at the moment. Ours is 414 and theirs is 412. खुल रहे? डन. चलो सोते मिलते दो घंटे में. We all just woke up. It's 9:30 p.m. We all had a good sleep, and now we are going to have dinner and then sleep again. While we were in the amusement park, I actually slipped and fell, and now my
Foot is paining.
yeah, is paining. I'm a bit in pain, and now we're just heading over to some dinner. Everybody is sleepy. Baby is here. These two also are sleepy. They're looking like zombies. अच्छा इधर ही है. So since we are staying, we are called as a room guest. We get this buffet. Otherwise, others have to have from there. All sleepy mode. Oh, it is crowded. Look at this. Where do we go? Figuring out a place to sit. Just got done with dinner. We had ordered for chicken dum biryani, bundi raita, and since Bhaiya is on fast, he had moong ka halwa. Really tasty biryani, I must say. Enjoyed it. Now we are heading towards our room, and we might go to sleep because children are still, we are still in that tired zone, sleepy zone after being in water for about 4 to 5 hours. So now we are heading to our room. So right now we are in our room and we are all set to watch some horror videos. I don't know what they are planning to put. We just saw a hut. I'm going to watch more of those. Hriday is again scared. But it's... अरे बाप रे. इसका आग देखा था क्या? We're watching something fun now. And Bhaiya's watching match outside.
You know, जीजू ये सिटी सिटी बोरिंग होती है ना।
Guys, good morning. So this is the next day. We dozed off to sleep after dinner, and now we are having breakfast. And the thing is, we all are here except for Pooja. She isn't here because you know how she is. She's always late. उसको time में आने का पता ही नहीं है. So she'll come in some time. And we all have ordered for masala dosa, rava dosa. आप भी masala dosa ही हो ना? So now once we have breakfast, we'll pack back and then leave for home. She hasn't come as yet. इतना slow है. Hey, look. Now she's come and see how slow she's walking. So slow, so slow, so slow. सीधा भी चलने को होता नहीं है उसको. अभी तक ऑर्डर दिया था वो. You know how slow they are, no? What are you gonna have? You're having masala dosa. Order if you want. You can have order something for yourself. Everybody's inside the hotel.
Why are you out then?
I was coming to get you.
Oh,
Ah.
as if you came.
Arey, I came here. I even called at the reception
Do what?
to ask क्या कर रही है and all. Because your geography is bad. No, you must have got lost.
Actually, I lost the way. ऐसे पूछ के आई मैं. I went somewhere else only.
चल यार. Be careful. बोला ना, मैं बोला था ना.
वो जो कचरा
मैं बोला ना इसका ज्योग्राफी बैड है. We've ordered for masala dosa. Sambar looks good. Chutney looks good. Everybody is having. Look at the kids. They all are enjoying. Arnav is enjoying the most. Arnav, कैसा है? भैया का हमेशा लास्ट आता है. पूजा लेट आई तो उसका भी लेट आएगा. चलो, I'll enjoy the dosa.
Super Sina, big girls, lazy boys. I'm in a super Sina, big girls, lazy boys. Girls go to college because they have knowledge. Boys go to school because they are cool. Girls live in taxi because they are sexy. Boys live in Muddu because they are Muddu. Girls go to Nani because they are Rani. Boys go to Nana because they are Nana. I'm chori chappa chori garam masala pani puri ding dong bell. कौन आया है? किसमें लाया है? क्या लाया है? चिट्ठी लाया है? क्या लाया है? आज रात 12 बजे भूत आने वाला है. डिंग डोंग बेल. कौन आया है? भूत आया है. क्या लाया है? चिट्ठी लाया है. क्या लिखा है? आज रात 12 बजे भूतनी आने वाली है. डिंग डोंग बेल. कौन आया है? भूतनी आई है. क्या लाई है? चिट्ठी लाई है. क्या लिखा है? आज रात 12 बजे चूड़े लाने वाली है. डिंग डोंग बेल. कौन आया है? चूड़े लाई है. क्या लाई है? पाकिस्तान में बस नहीं, बस में बैठी रहेगा. चरखा ने देखा, चरखा ने आग भरी, देखा ने लाल भरी. आम चोरी चप्पा चोरी गरम मसाला पानी पूरी का स्टैच्यू.
इतना लंबा था क्या?
ये बहुत ज्यादा लंबा है.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं? How did you know about this?
मैं भी खेलती थी ना बचपन में.
बचपन बहुत सारे
तो ताली तो बजाने के और क्या ही है इसमें?
करना तू करना मेरा जो
चाची. कभी ऊपर कभी नीचे, कभी उल्टा कभी सीधा, कभी 1 कभी 2 कभी 3 कभी 4 कभी 5 कभी 6 कभी 7 कभी 8 कभी 9
हृदय तो ये सब देख मत इधर तू छोड़.
वो भी खेलते थे ना उमा जोशी. आता है ऐसे.
And there's some game which boys play which is Pikachu.
Pokemon.
No, it's a kid.
My mother once told me 60 years ago. ऐसे ऐसे 1 2 3 फिर ऐसे. हाँ फिर वापस. करो अभी फास्ट.
इसमें जीतता कौन है?
स्टैच्यू जो करता है सबसे पहले.
इसमें और रहता है, इसमें और भी रहता है. मेरे पापा मेरे डॉक्टर मेरे
वो भी खेलते थे ना, हैम चीज बर्गर सॉस पोटैटो।
मेरे
हैम चीज बर्गर
भाई हम गए।
हाँ मैं जैसा ही
अंकल कार के जो ग्राउंड पे हम लगोरी खेलते हैं।
और एक और है जिसमें बताते हैं
चलो।
वैसे भी टाइम ही टाइम हम लोग के पास, थोड़ी ना आज हॉलीडे है ना इसका भी।
आज हॉलीडे है, बट हम लोग को चेकआउट करना पड़ेगा अभी।
चलो बैग्स निकालते हैं।
चलो हाँ चलो
सामान लाते हैं।
टाइम टू check out now.
Yes.
So guys, this is where I end the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as we did, and stay tuned because we need to show you the checkout, the returning back home as well. So you need to wait for the next vlog for the same. So असा होता आमचा अर्धा vlog हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, कमेंट करा, शेअर करा आणि आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. बाय.